Hey YouTube, Car Survivalist here, working today on a 2008 Ford Focus non-start. Been at another shop, sorry my finger's off there. Been at another shop, been looked at, shown a security light, no start situation. Was at another shop for several days and they said it was a computer issue and beyond their capabilities that they were wanting to get into. So anyways, vehicle dropped off here about 30 minutes ago. Did some research, checked for codes. There's a couple of immobilizer codes, basically showing circuit issues, no voltage, low voltage computer, and lo and behold, just checked the simple stuff, found fuse number 9 right here. It's a 20 amp maxi fuse, and it was for sure blown out. And checked ground, clean ground, and that's right here. One of the grounds here, the other one goes over here into the abyss of the engine compartment. The other shop reportedly did jump the starter. The starter did crank, but no start. Inside here in the dash, let me just show you what I'm getting. I am getting the security light, and I am getting dash, 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 dash. So I'm getting the security light over here flashing, and then dash, dash, dash. What that means on the dashes in the odometer is that the PCM is no longer communicating with the cluster of the vehicle. So turn it off, turn it on. There's absolutely no start, no crank, no nothing. So again, I said just left another shop, got towed to me. Long story short, what I ended up finding is the noise canceling resistor that's up here on top of the engine compartment. This guy right here happened to be laying down here with this connected into this, and this right here is your bare wire arced out to that bolt right there. And all this is a noise canceling reducer. It is supposed to be attached here. There's a bracket in this, so you can see it's broken free and wiggled free right here and just snapped off. So most likely it'd be best to go ahead and replace this piece here with a new part. You could technically drill this out, but your resistor may not be functioning correctly now as it's shorted out. Anyways, I'm gonna get that replaced, get the fuse replaced, and we should have a crank. I'll follow back up with you here in just a few minutes. All right, back on this 2008 Ford Focus. Have this 20 amp maxi fuse. We're gonna go ahead and slide that back into slot number 9, winner winner chicken dinner. And I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this disconnected for now, just as a test. The rest of this just goes over to ground. It's not a huge issue. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have a little bit of noise in the radio, but at least we can confirm that this thing's going to fire, and we'll see what happens here. Let me get some room made up here. May have to edit that out. All right, here we go. Automatic, key on. All right, security light is on solid. We are back to odometer, and security light is no longer flashing. And we have a start. Thanks for visiting Car Survival. Have a good one. Appreciate you coming checking us out. Hopefully I can help save you guys a couple dollars here and there. If you like this, like and subscribe down below. Follow the other videos. We'll keep on keeping on with what we got going here. Thanks. Have a great day.